Hello, hello. Welcome. You're at Icky Chic Designs, and I'm Linda. Um, really thrilled to have you here. Today I'm going to show you some of the ways I finished off the fabric clusters that I did when I mass made several at one time. And I will link that video below in case you want to see how these started. But I wanted to show you how I finished them out. Now, some I make as pendants, and I wear them as necklaces, and this is one of those. Let me bring you really up close so you can see that. As you can see, I've just layered the fabrics. I layer the threads and the different textures on there, and I put a couple of beads. This one's very actually simple the way it's layered. Then I just sew on a backing piece, put my little, whatever you call this here that it hangs by. And that's it. And I wore it yesterday, and it was just beautiful. Okay. So I have 2 or 3 simple pearl strands, and I have 2 or 3 gold strands, and then a silver one that I can put with different necklaces. Just run them in and out. It's very simple. They just thread them through that, and you've got a necklace. Okay, very simple. Another one I finished out as a tag. You've got gift-giving seasons throughout the year, and you want special tags. This one I made as a tag, and it's a little special because it has a little pocket in the back, and you can slip like a little name tag or a note into that. Okay, so it's just a really pretty tag, and it's a gift in itself because they can take this and use it as a little piece of fabric art. Okay. Again, you can see the layering. There's a base layer of batting that I used to make this a little more substantial, and then I layered up the different fabrics, put some lace on the back. There's some colored lace here, a piece of just some just trim stuff here, a little piece of ribbon, and a little ornament right there. Okay. I have another tag here that I did that's in totally different colors. All of these that I'm showing this morning have the same burlap backing on it, but the backing can change too. Again, layering up. This one has quite a few layers. It's a little more complicated with layers. It has little bits and pieces of several things. And I love the black accent here, and then I put some pistol stitches, embroidery along that edge, and some French knots in there. And that's all the actual, sewing that I did. The different ornaments here. And then on the back, I attached the ribbon, and then another little pocket with another little name tag here, or note tag that you can slip through there. Just leave all your stitches raw, and I think that adds to the charm of the homemade, but it's very pretty. Again, it makes a little fabric art statement all on its own that they can hang or frame or do whatever they want to with it after they receive their gift. Now the other ones that I've just got through making is this one, and this one is another necklace, and this one is layered up with laces and different fabrics. I have a button and another little heart element. I have sequins, and I have pearls, and I have some different threads on there. Okay. The back is simple, just sewn to, and then I use this piece to cover the edge of this little part here. Okay. This one's the same way, of course. Everything is layered. There's a different layer of fabric under that, and the little flowers still show through, which makes the texture nice. The sequins, the black beads. It's a little cat face here. Okay. The tag here is more decorative. It's a piece of decorative ribbon. And this hard element right here, like a flower. And then it is sewn on the back. Okay. Now, these are going into my Etsy shop. So it's a wonderful time of the year to start thinking about your gift-giving seasons. You have them all during the year for different occasions, and if you make along, you'll always have a beautiful tag or a pendant necklace that you can gift. Okay, now let me get these out of the way and show you one that I'm just starting to work on. Get it over here. Okay, this one I'm just layering it up. I've pretty much got it where I want it right now. And then when I will take the hard element off here and sew down all the layered pieces to the batting piece. There's a piece of batting back there. And then I will sew on the hard part, and then I will sew the little pendant and the back part to everything. And so it's not difficult at all. Anybody can do this. It's just the way you layer up different elements that you have, and how you see color and how you see texture, and if you have decorative threads or pieces of jewelry or anything that you want to incorporate, you can make your own jewelry that way. Okay. All right. I hope you stay scrap happy and beautifully adorned with some fabric art jewelry.